Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects and recent edits. From here we have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom bar. This opens up a list of options from which we can select, and from this list we have to select the YouTube banner, this one. After we tap on it, the app is going to load and create the format that we can create in. Then we are presented with some templates and styles from which we can choose from. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.